Your ammo, brand specifically, it's what you feel comfortable with, pattern your gun, see how they shoot, do those kind of things, and then pick which ammo. Usually it comes down to price too. Unfortunately, steel shot's expensive, so if you can get a deal on something, check the web, go to your local gun shops. You can check the Otis locator on our website, and most of those shops will carry waterfowl gear, things like that too, so just use us as a reference to go to those stores and get what you need. Finally, what gear you need also is very important, is your Otis kit. This is how you're gonna clean and maintain your gun. So I have literally used this gun as a boat paddle. I've used it for a crutch to get out of the mud. I was stuck in my waders in the mud. Waterfowl guns get filthy, dirty, muddy, and you need something to clean that. If I'm in the middle of a hunt and I use it for that, I still want to finish out my day. So what we suggest at Otis is you do a 3-step cleaning process to clean at least the bore of your gun to start. And that's going to be a wet patch, a bore brush, and then a dry patch.